In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. First, launch Canva on your device or open it in your browser. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram Reels or Instagram video so you're working in the correct vertical format right from the start. You can choose a pre-designed template for a quick, polished look, or pick a blank canvas if you want full creative control. Templates are great for inspiration and consistent styles. Blank is best if you already have a clear vision. Now let's add your visuals. If you have your own clips or photos, drag and drop them into the editor to upload. If you need extras, explore Canva stock library for videos, photos, and graphic elements that match your theme. When you want a clip to fill the screen, right-click it and choose Set Video to Background so it fits seamlessly. Use the timeline at the bottom to build your sequence. Drag new clips onto the plus icon to create a new scene, or place them in order to stack your story from start to finish. Keep your first 2 seconds punchy to hook viewers. Time to edit and enhance. Click a clip and use the scissors to trim and adjust the length so each moment feels tight and intentional. Press T to add text, then customize your font, color, and position. Use alignment tools to keep everything centered and clean, and choose high contrast colors for readability. Add motion by selecting any element and opening. Animate subtle movements like fade or rise. Help text pop without distracting from your footage. To smooth the flow between scenes, click the icon between clips on the timeline and pick a transition that matches your style. For audio, add music from Canva's library and adjust volume so it supports your visuals. If you have Canva Pro, try Beat Sync to automatically match cuts to the music for a polished rhythm. Pro users can also test Magic Design for video, describe your Reels idea, upload media, and let Canva generate instant layouts you can refine. Before exporting, hit preview and watch your reel all the way through to check timing, flow, and text legibility. When it feels right, click Share, choose Download, and select MP4. Finally, upload the MP4 to Instagram, or use Canva's direct share or scheduling options if available to plan your post. Keep your caption concise, add relevant hashtags, and you're ready to publish. Thanks for watching.